Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to try cooking with an air fryer. We're going to cook eggs in our air fryer. We're going to use bacon, spinach, and eggs, and we're going to try to make a frittata. And so I'm going to use bacon grease to cook it in. So sit back, relax, subscribe, and enjoy. First, I'm going to heat up the bacon grease so that we can use it. Now, I know you're wondering, what's that contraption that he's got in his hand that he's removing that hot pan with? Well, that's just one of my ideas that I got. It's just a coat hanger that I've turned into a hot pot removal for my air fryer. So, back to cooking. We're gonna whisk the eggs, and then we're gonna mix everything together in one bowl. Now, as you can see, we're adding cheese to our dish. So add whatever cheese you like, whether it be cheddar, mozzarella, Colby. And so I'm just gonna add some cheese, and you add as much as you want, because you can never have too much cheese. Man, I can tell you in advance, this turned out better than I thought. First, I thought I had overcooked it, but when I really looked at it and checked the texture on the middle, I saw that it was nice and fluffy. Then the trick was, I need to try to get it out, because it's still a hot pot. So you see I used my contraption again, and I checked the middle, it's good and cooked. So now it's trying to get it out of the pan. Let's try this trick. And there it is. I got it out with one flip. So, as you can see, This looks like a egg pizza, if you want to call it that, but it's called a frittata, and it's real fluffy in the middle, and it turned out great. So guys, for more videos, check us out at our channel, like us, comment, and we'll see you on the next video.